comfortable. These guys are cool. They're not
You can take up in your hand.
talk to anybody we want to talk to. Take up, man, and do what you need.
Pick up.
All right, look.
Yeah. Okay, what's this? Avocado?
Yeah.
Okay. It's ripe already?
Green. Turn. Soon ready.
Soon ready. So it's going to get soft?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the 2 days, I need mango.
These are mangoes, but they're young.
No. These are
No?
small mangoes.
But they're not. What do you?
That's green. That make pepper pot.
Make what?
Pepper pot.
Is that like a spice? What is pepper pot?
Salt and pepper mixed up.
Oh, so it's like a spice?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you grate it.
Yeah.
You grate it fine. So it gives like, is it like citrus flavor? What's the?
Pepper and salt.
Okay. All right. And what are these?
Gooseberry.
Yeastberry?
Yeah. It's just like strawberry.
Oh, you don't eat the skin though?
Yeah. You break it and you can eat inside.
So you peel it with like a peeler?
Break it.
Oh, you break it? Oh, and just eat it?
Yeah.
And then like an orange and leave
Yeah.
the skin in your hand and throw away the skin.
Yeah.
All right, okra, I know that one. What's this one?
That is sweet sap.
Sweet sap.
Yeah.
All right,
That
so.
next to sour sap. You just break it, eat out the inside.
Oh, it's like a fruit?
Yeah, it's a fruit.
Oh, is it like slimy? Like,
Yeah.
ugh. Like, okay. And this is mango. These look like riper. Those are like riper than that. Okay, so you could just eat these?
Yeah.
And they're sweet? Okay. This is a different kind of mango?
That is dry and
hard.
mango.
That's dry.
Dry and mango. You have East Indian here.
All different varieties of mango.
East Indian, Julie, and Tammy. Those big ones, Tammy. Those ones, Graham.
Okay, so they're grown off of different trees.
Yeah.
And you can only get them at particular times a year?
Yeah.
Like, and then like you can't, in a couple months you can't get this one or you can't get that one? Okay. And these are all ripe? Or you have to let them sit? These are ripe. But
Yeah.
these are,
Yeah. Right.
so you gotta let these sit. Okay, so all different flavors, huh?
You can
Just slightly different?
burst it and taste it.
How do
It's a
I?
leaf there. Just break it.
Oh, it's kind of slimy.
No, it's not slimy.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, it's like a nut. It tastes nutty.
Like a strawberry.
Oh, it's really good.
Yeah.
You can make like a pie out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. It's nutty. Oh, you just do the mangoes and the fruits, huh? You have a guy that comes over and brings them to you, or you go get them? Huh? You have to get them? And you've got like the same places you go to all the time, and they all know you.
Yeah.
Oh,
So no like in the lobster.
is that garbage? Oh, I should have right off the floor. Fish? What do you think the boxes? All right, so this is yours? So we got yellow snapper. What's this? This is red, right?
That is bird.
Don't talk catfish.
This is the butter.
Butter. Yep. Red snapper.
Where you right?
So I got this. Fly away.
Oh, that's a pretty fish. Pretty blue. You go get them, or do you? Yeah, you're a fisherman.
The gold one.
You fish around here, right?
Right over there.
Okay. Because I knew a guy that fished over in Wednesday. Fishing guy.
How come all of them go to fishing?
Yeah?
There's my fishing boat.
All right. So you know a guy named Rick that used to go out of Orange, live in Orange Bay? Fisherman? Yeah. He died like 10 years ago. What fish is that?
Oh, that is a breeder.
A breeder?
He's a breeder. This is the whitening.
Man.
No.
Oh, the name is breeder.
If you need a baby, and you
Oh,
need
okay.
a fish, you make it in white.
Oh, I get it. I thought.
And I rub it.
I thought it breeded different other fish.
This is the yellowtail.
Yeah. Oh, yellowtail. Okay.
And I rubbing up a high grade
So it's
weed,
different
high
than the
grade.
red.
You can do what they do. Anything you want to do, the boy, no problem.
So you go get them, huh? How long?
How long?
All this, how long?
It's all a pot.
Like one day, good fishing day. How much are you?
Every day.
How many fish? Like one good day.
Every day
I
would
know,
be a
but how
kitchen
many?
day.
Like one box.
A
like
good
that
day.
box. Any one of these small box.
Really? One of those in one day?
Every day is a fishing day.
So you got a fishing day and then you got a market day.
Some of the time you go, you don't catch anything. The box come back empty.
Every day is a fishing day, but
You go
sometimes
and
it's a
you
kitchen
pull the
day.
box. That is a good day. You can buy back the gas on the island.
Yeah, you got that.
Because you know the gas not cheap.
All right.
Yeah, see girl now with the mega ball.
What are the movie made? Making a movie ready?
Yeah.
Oh, a little
What is the
video.
name?
One got it for you.